Preparation for the test. Please wash your hands and ensure they are dry before using the detection kit. Your kit main contains these items: disposable swab, nasal swab, test cassette, elution tube, instruction for use, IFU. Please read the instructions in your kit carefully before test. Open the foil pouch and take out the cassette. Place it on the clean and dry surface. Once opened, start the test within 1 hour. Test procedure. Open the package from the end of the swab package. And carefully insert the swab into the nostril 3 to 4 centimeter. Roll the swab along the inner wall of the nostril 5 times. Using the same swab, repeat this process for the other nostril. Pick up the elution tube, remove the white cap. Insert the sampled swab into the sample eluent. Rub and stir the swab up and down at least 10 times. And finally, squeeze the swab, leaving the eluent on the swab completely in the elution tube. Get the tube capped upside down the sampled elution tube, then squeeze the tube to dispense 4 drops, about 80 microliters, into the sample well of the cassette and start counting. Visually read the result after 10 minutes. Interpretation of test results. If you see only one red quality control line, C line, in the result window, this may mean that you are negative or that the virus load is too low to be detected. Please continue to comply with all applicable rules regarding contact with others and protective measures. An infection can also be present if the test is negative. In case of suspicion, repeat the tests after 1 to 2 days, as the coronavirus cannot be accurately detected in all phases of an infection. If you can see 2 clear red lines in both the control line, C line, and the test line, T line, your results are positive. There is currently a suspicion of a COVID-19 infection. Please contact a doctor or local health department immediately and have a PCR confirmatory test performed. Please follow local guidelines for self-isolation. If you can't see the red line or only the T test line, but no quality control line, C line, your results are invalid. This may have been caused by an incorrect test execution. Please repeat the test. If the test results remain invalid, contact a doctor or a COVID-19 test center. Note: the result is invalid after 15 minutes.